across to breaking inputs coming in this minute. NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede has written to the Mumbai Police Commissioner requesting him to ensure that no precipitate legal action is carried out to frame Sameer Wankhede with any ulterior motives, unquote. I once again repeat that quote by Sameer Wankhede as he writes to the Mumbai Police Commissioner, ensure that no precipitate legal action is carried out to frame me with ulterior motives. I want to bring in my colleague Yesha, who's joining us on the broadcast. Yesha, tell us about the important points of this letter. Very important, given the twist in the story and how the independent witness has reacted, and how Sameer Wankhede has also been complaining of this conspiracy against him.
That's right. So now what we see is Sameer Wankhede has written a letter to the Commissioner of Police, wherein he is saying that that he's bringing to the notice of the Commissioner, and I'm quoting from there, wherein he says that it has been brought to your notice that a threat of jail and dismissal have been issued against the undersigned on public media by highly respectable public functionaries. So here he is referring to the entire twist in the investigation which has come in this morning, wherein we saw that one of the punch in the case, that is the punch number 1, Prabhakar Sel, had clearly stated that there were, and he leveled serious extortion charges against Sameer Wankhede, wherein he said that rupees 18 crore was supposed to be collected from Pooja Dadlani, of which 8 crore was supposed to go to Sameer Wankhede. So now he's writing to the Commissioner asking that there should be no legal action to be carried out against falsely and ulterior motives. Now, clearly there is this word falsely and ulterior motives, because even earlier when we saw the press release issued by the NCB team, which was signed by Mutha Ashok Jain, that is the DDG of NCB, even there he had stated that that Sameer Wankhede, the zonal director, has clearly denied these allegations, and the affidavits are to be because they are sub judice. This particular pancha should approach court, and which is where he shouldn't bring it up on social media, which is why now we're seeing that there are meetings which are going on at the NCB offices where we're getting to know from our NCB sources, and now this particular document that we're talking about, which Sameer Wankhede has written to the Commissioner, has come out, wherein he's talking about legal actions for framing him in a falsely planned case. Clearly here he's again mentioning in the letter that it has been brought to his notice that some precipitate legal action for framing him falsely is planned by unknown people in this drug bust case. So, which is why he's asking himself to be excused from any kind of a legal action, and also stating that his superior, that is a senior, Mutha Ashok Jain, has referred a letter to the Director General of NCB for to understand this entire case. So, like we had earlier mentioned as well, that the Delhi team would there's an approach to a Delhi team as well to look into this case, and we have seen that the NCB director, zonal director, is asking that this matter should be looked at within the purview of the NCB and not and shouldn't be involved and shouldn't have Mumbai Police involved there. Yes.
Kesha, I want to thank you for the moment, but the story is moving very fast. And given the kind of developments that have been coming to light, we wait and watch what happens next. We'll come back to you for more updates. For the moment, a short break.